Hello, students. In this class, we'll see 2023 April question paper. Um, Few topics are removed in 2025 because I'm making video in 2025. Few topics like frustum of cone is removed, Euclid's lemma is removed, kind of thing. So we'll see. I'll try to answer all the questions which are not available. I mean, not there for syllabus. I'll also inform that also. Okay. The number of zeros of the polynomial. Number of zeros here is where the the graph intersects the x-axis. That count you take. So here it intersected at 1, 2 and 3 points. The graph, how many points it intersected x-axis is those number of zeros. So 3 is the zeros. This is a formula actually. There is a formula P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. From probability chapter means probability of event and probability plus probability of negate of an event is 1. So just substitute accordingly. P of E plus P of E bar. Alright. Okay. I'll take up P of E is given, right? So 0.75 plus P of E bar equal to 1. Therefore P of E equal to 1 minus 0.75, that becomes 0.25. Where is the answer? 0.25 B. You have to answer like this, sir. So B 0.25. Okay. Along with the MCQ answer. This one. Let's see. The next one. The total surface area of the cylinder with R radius and H as a height. It's a direct formula. 2 pi R of R plus H. D is the option. Okay. 2 pi R of R plus H. The number that represents R comparing this is out of syllabus. I mean, not available, not there for 2025 syllabus, but still, just to compare here, A and 19, B 6, Q 3, R is 1. So this one, this is not there actually. Okay, in the given figure, PB is a tangent meeting A at A, and AOP is 90 degree, 45 degree. AOP, this is 45 degree they have given, right? So we'll just solve it. Given is what? PB is a tangent at A. Therefore, OA is perpendicular to PB, right? Therefore, OAP means perpendicular means 90 degree. What is given? AOP is 45 given. What they asked is OPA. Since in the triangle OPA we know A and O is given, P we can find out, which comes 180 minus these two additions. Therefore, OPA is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles, angle sum property theorem. So it comes to 45 degree again. Okay. Therefore, okay, let's see. OPA equal to 180 minus 90 plus 45, angle sum property of triangle. So this comes to 45, which is answer is what? A 45. Okay. In the figure, DE parallel to BC, the correct relation, it's a BPT theorem directly. When DE is parallel to BC, relation is AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Just find out. AD by DB is not there. AD by AB, AE by EC not there. AD by DB, AE by EC. Yes, C is the answer. The lines represented by this are what lines? Just check out. Seventh one. The lines are given. Just write that lines. 4x plus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. 8x plus 10y plus 20 equal to 0. You have to find the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. When you find the ratio, 4 by 8 is 1 by 2, 5 by 10 is 1 by 2, minus 10 by 20 is 1 by 2, but minus 1 by 2. So, 8x plus 10y plus 20 is 0. So A1 by A2 is 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Uh, C1 by C2 is minus 1 by 20, that is minus 1 by 2. So we write A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, lines are parallel only here. Lines are parallel. Answer D, you have to write parallel lines. You should know all 9 combinations are there based on the number of solutions, types of lines intersecting, unique or consistent kind of thing. Okay. So last one in the first main MCQ. The distance of the point from x-axis. Remember this concept. Whenever they ask distance of a point from x-axis means y coordinate you have to answer. Similarly, other way, if a distance of a point from y-axis means x coordinate. So here the distance from of a point minus 8 comma 3 from x-axis means you have to answer y coordinate, that is b. Express this in the form. So denominator you have to answer that in the form, right? So 80 you find the comma this prime factors 2 10 ja 2 5 ja. Therefore how much it comes? 7 by 2 to the power 5 to the 1. Therefore n is equal to 4, m is equal to 1. This is again not there in the syllabus. If pair of lines are coincident, find the value of AB. When their lines are coincident means all three ratios are equal. Just take out the equation x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0. Then write the a1 by a2 equal to 1 by a, b1 by b2 equal to 2 by b, c1 by c2 equal to minus 4 by minus 12. Once you write a condition like saying for coincident lines all three ratios should be equal, like that. It's not came ax plus b by minus 12, a1 by a2 is 1 by a, b1 by b2 is 2 by b, c1 by c2 is minus 4 by minus 12, that is 1 by 3. For lines to be coincident, not that line, since lines are coincident, we have condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. All three should be equal. Just substitute the values. 1 by a is a1 by a2, 2 by b, 1 by 3. You take two equal ratios. All three are equal now. To find a, I will take this. Okay, 1 by a and 1 by 3. You cross multiply, you get a is equal to 3. Similarly, cross multiply 2 by b and 1 by 3, you get b is equal to 6. Okay, a is equal to 3. Therefore, a equal to 3, b equal to 6. Okay, 10th is done. 11th one. This is not there in the syllabus, but we can solve it. I'll solve here itself. 11th one. Just check out. So area of triangle ABC by, this is a formula PQR. If triangles are similar, concept is not there in 2025, it is removed actually. Since it is a 2023 paper, we are solving this. Area of similar triangles, ratio of area of similar triangles is nothing but it is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sets. So what's the corresponding side here? AB square by PQ square. What is area of triangle ABC? 64 by 100 is equal to AB square is what? 8 AB, 8 square. This is PQ square. 8 square cancels. Therefore, PQ square is equal to 100 and PQ is 10. Okay. We just write PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, PQ square is equal to 100. PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. Square root of 100 becomes 10. Okay. That will move again. Move ahead to the next question. 12th one. Okay. Next, 12th one. Expressed in the standard form. What is standard form? Just open that and put it. That is 2x plus x square equal to 3. X square plus 2x minus 3 is 0. Is in standard form. 13th one. Find the discriminant of the equation. Just write it. Equation, get the values a equal to 2, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 3. Comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c. Then discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 minus 4 whole square 16 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Right? 24 minus 8 is minus 16 minus 24 is minus 8. That's the discriminant value. The roots are imaginary here because discriminant has come negative. Not required that part, but I'm just giving you answer. Okay, this is minus 8. 16 minus 24, this becomes minus 8. Then we'll go to the 14th one. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining the points. So we say let 6 comma 3 be x1 y1 x1 y1 and 4 comma 7 be x2 y2. Okay. Therefore, midpoint formula, what is that? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Just add that 6 plus 4 by 10, 2, 3 plus 7 by 2, that is 5 comma 5 because 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5, 5 comma 5. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5. Right? We'll see the next one. 14th is done, 15th we have to see. Okay, where is the 15th? Okay, here. Write the degree of the polynomial. I'll write here only. Write the polynomial first, p of x, write it. Degree is equal to highest power of the variable is the degree, so 3 will be degree. 16th, I'm writing here only. Find the frustum of cone. This is not there in 2025, but still we can answer that. Frustum of cone. Frustum of cone is equal to volume of frustum of cone, right? So volume of frustum of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r of r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Cubic unit, you are right? Unit, cubic units. When they ask formula, please do write units. Okay. Thank you.